This is what happens once somebody signs up for an offer. You will have access to this entire CRM, which is a customer relationship management system. And this is a pipeline where you will see exactly where all your leads are in the whole sales process. This goes across to multiple columns. Um, as you can see, I just signed up as an example here. If you click on my name, and this is under a new lead, if you click on my name, you will see my details here, and you will also see all the emails and SMSs that were sent to me. So Kanya, here's your voucher. And if you click on that, you can see this is the email that has been sent to me. Um, and these emails are also created on our system. And there's a whole sequence of emails that goes out on a, say, after 3 days, after 5 days, after 1 week, giving the patients the benefits of your practice, and trying to convert them into a sale, but not in a harsh manner. So this is where this lead is nurtured into a sale. So say I went to this page and I decided to book an appointment. So say I'm going to just choose the 13th, and I'm going to choose 1:30 p.m. I'm going to select the date. My details are automatically populated because I've already entered them from the previous form. And then this is going to book an appointment. And then it says, thank you for requesting a consultation. There's a nice picture of my staff. And then there is more details about my practice. So if we go back here, you'll see that this contact here will now move, and it goes to booking requested. So here, Kanyapale has requested a booking. So this will be taught to you, but basically all you need to do is accept this appointment. And I have received now an email that my booking has been received, and I've also received an SMS to say my booking has been received. If I now accept this appointment from the staff side, my staff accepts this appointment, you'll see I move to booking confirmed. When I move here, I will get email reminders. And besides the email reminders, I will also get an online patient information form to fill out in one of those emails or a few of those emails. So we have reduced chances of people not pitching up. However, no-shows are a thing and it's impossible to eliminate them completely, but these reminders will help to reduce it. So I've got information here on diabetes and contact lenses, etc. And here there's the patient can cancel the form on the appointment on their own on the calendar. They can reschedule it, etc. But what I want to do here is show you the patient information form. This is an online patient information form, the ones that we usually fill out in our practice, and you can even sign on this form. All right, so I'm not going to do that, but now I would get reminders on my appointment. So after the appointment, if the patient has come, then we can move this patient either to invoice client, so no shows, or client to reschedule, or and we can actually measure our warm leads in here by putting in the amounts that the patient has spent. So we can calculate how much of money we are making. We can also, if the person goes to no show or reschedule, they get automatic emails to remind them to reschedule the appointment. It's only two of them, but we can change that just so that we don't um, nag them. And if the patient is pitched up, we can measure the sales. And if there's also tasks that are sent to our staff here so that our staff can follow up properly on all of these leads. If they are referred to the ophthalmologist, it sends us a reminder to call them after 2 weeks and find out what happened there. If it's a quote, we can measure the value of the quotes that we have, and the staff gets reminders to follow up on the quotes. And emails also get automatically sent to the patients so that they can respond and say whether they want the quote or not. So yeah, so there's a whole lot of things that can be done on this pipeline, and it's a sure way to convert no-shows into sales. It's a sure way to measure your sales, and it's also a way to see if your staff is executing the task that they need to in order to have the maximum out of all of our patients, and to ensure that more of them come than don't come.